This is part one in our series of creating multiple plate cutouts. In part one, we will look at creating a 1x3 plate and duplicating it across a 12x24 sheet. This is not very efficient when it comes to cutting. We will look at other ways of cutting later on in the other series. In this example, we will be using the transform command to create our duplicates. The first thing that we need to do is create a 12x24 sheet. In this case, 24 wide, 12 inches tall. To view the whole page, press Shift F4. Now, we're going to create a 1x3 box. This 1x3 box will be the box that we'll be cutting out and duplicating. To resize the box, select Transform and Size. Hotkey is Alt F10. Select your Size tab and type in the size of the box, which in this case is going to be 3 inches wide by 1 inch tall. Click the Apply button and we've got a 1x3 box. Next, we're going to position the box in the top left hand corner. First, turn the relative position off. Select the top left hand handle. To get the box in the top left hand corner, we need to type in 0 and 12. Click Apply and the box goes up to the top left hand corner because this mark is 0 and 12. If we click our center radial button on our object, we can actually measure from the middle, and in this case our horizontal position will be 1.5 and our vertical position will be 11.5. Click Apply and the box again in the same position, just a different coordinate. If we go from the top right hand corner, our horizontal would be 3 and our vertical would be 11.5. Now let's duplicate the box. Select the box, select the relative position tab, and our box is 1x3, so our horizontal number needs to be 3 and our vertical is nothing. Click Apply to duplicate and we duplicate right across. Shift F4 will bring us back out, and we'll duplicate one more time, and we'll select our whole row of boxes, type in 0 for the horizontal, -1. We click 1, we'll go up, which is not what we want to do. Type in -1. As we want to go down, we're going from 12 to 11. Click Apply to duplicate, and we duplicate again and again and again until we fill our page up. Now again, the problem with this type of a setup is that we're going to have cutout lines that are going to be happening on top of each other. We will discuss this later on. If you want to actually know the engraving order, you can press the Tab button in Corel, and this will toggle through the order of the engraving boxes. And as you can see, the boxes are moving from the top to the bottom. Again, in later episodes, we'll look at optimizing this movement of the actual cut lines.